Car, we're in the Legacy, got the start up. So last time I had to jump it, my brother had a portable jumper and it didn't work. I don't know if it didn't have power, but I got one from a friend of mine, Steve, and he let me use his DeWalt, which is a really heavy duty big jumper. And once I hooked that up to this car, it started up. So I drove this last Wednesday, and now it's Wednesday again, and when I try to start it, let's see if it starts up. And I do have air hooked up, so let's see if it cranks. Nothing. Yep. So I get that. Okay. So that's what's happening. Last time it actually clicked a lot and really didn't do much. It just kept clicking. So definitely just had I guess a weak charge, I suppose. Anyway, so I'm gonna try out this Interstate jumper and see if this can you know, give it a jump.
All right, so we're gonna open the hood here. All right, and now we're gonna put on the clamps. So the clamps are actually pretty solid. They're very strong and they had a good grip, so definitely good quality there. And what I do like is like they made the positive longer than the ground. So they don't ever, like if they're just dangling, they won't hit each other, you know, as like other ones are same, like same length wise. So here we put on the ground first, and then now I'm putting on the positive. All right, fire it up. Moment of truth. But yeah, mission success. So keep in mind, actually I used this right out of the box, so I didn't even charge it. I was able to actually start it up twice because my car sometimes it does stall out. Overall, I'm very happy with this. Like I said, last compact jumper I had, it like started coming apart, like because I kept it in like my glove box, and I don't know, I just didn't have a good experience with it. But I'm gonna give this another try. This Lithium style jumper, like I said, it doesn't take up a lot of room, and you know, just see how long it works. Pretty basic and simple, and I like Interstate's brand of batteries in general. So I'm excited to see how long it lasts and how well it does, as opposed to keeping like one of these big jumper ones, you know, like the DeWalt or the Stanley, you know, which are around the same price, but they have air compressors. I don't really need that. The last Stanley that I had was the 1000 one. I think it was like $100 or so, and but I did give it away. But I'm gonna give this one a try and see how long it holds. But yeah, overall, very happy with it. Very happy with the build quality, what it came with, and we'll see how it goes.